Namaskaram. In this section, we will be learning that how can we use yantras and mantras to balance, to activate, to harmonize the 7 chakras of the 7 major chakras of our body. So let's discuss first what is this chakras. We have two kind of body. One is this physical body which I can touch. This is my physical body. Then apart from this physical body, everybody is having a subtle body also, which cannot be seen by the bare eyes unless and until you are a psychic. So the subtle body which cannot be seen, that we called also like a energy body. We say it is made of bioplasmic matter. It is like it consists energy. So when we eat food, so when we take the food, so the food in our whole body, it gets in the form of energy, it gets like circulated, right? Like heart is circulating the blood, it goes here, there in the whole body. Then this enables our body to function, right? So the same way in our subtle body also, the energy is moving here and there to make us work, to keep us alive. So till we are alive, we have this energy body. When we die, this energy body slowly starts disintegrating. So the energy flows in this body through the chakras. We have major chakras, we have minor chakras. So in this course, I will be discussing about the 7 major chakras. So this chakra, what is chakra? Chakra is a Sanskrit word that means like a wheel, like a disc. So chakras, they are basically like spinning wheels revolving like this. So through these chakras, the energy is getting absorbed, the energy is getting used, it is getting moved from these chakras. We have nadis. Nadi is like which helps the energy to move from one chakra to another. So these chakras, what they do, basically they are absorbing the energy, the life energy, the vital energy which keeps us alive. So these chakras, the spinning wheels, they are absorbing energy. And so how we are going to use the yantras? I'm going to tell you 7 yantras for all the 7 chakras, and the associated mantra we can use with this yantras. The mantras. So how are we going to use these 7 yantras to energize or to harmonize or to balance the 7 chakras? How we are going to use this? To use this 7 yantras, we can have various ways. Like we can do the meditation. Like suppose your aim is to control or to balance or to activate your root chakra. So you can use the yantra of the root chakra. You can make the yantra of root chakra, and you can either meditate it, or even some people, they go to the extent to get the tattoo of it. I won't recommend it. Some people, they make it, or you can I had explained in the categories. Some people, they can use like on the I had explained in the category the Sharir yantras, which are for chakras basically. So even you can visualize also. If you don't even draw it, so you just remember the yantra, you can also visualize the yantra on the particular seat of that chakra. Like suppose for the root, on the base of your spine, that is the root chakra. So there you can also visualize that yantra, or you can just keep the yantra in front of you to meditate, or you can also pray that yantra on, and use that associated mantra for that yantra to harmonize that particular chakra. So in my next videos, I will be explaining about every chakra and the associated yantra of that chakra. Thank you.